up around the Burren we're going today anyway. That's Spanish Point there now. A few people out kayaking today. There's a lot of people up here swimming as well, by the look of it. There's a heap of them in the water. It's a nice spot now. I don't know where this is, but I'll have to come back here. The tide is fully in. A few big bikes here. Cheers, thanks. If you save up, you can get one when you're 16.
Yeah. Dad says you could get them for 50 when he was a Honda 50 for 50 quid when he was 16.
Oh yeah. The Honda 50s, they're 2.4 now. But that's for, you know, one of the older ones. I don't know how much the new one is, but this brand new is 4.9 now. It was 4.5 when I got it, but they're gone up. Yeah. Oh, is it that still on? I meant to turn it off with that one. Look up Vrum. VRUM. Do you want to be on it? Try on it. Go on, I'll see you. Good luck. Did they all go that way? Did you see them? Yeah. Thanks.
Well done, Brady, boy. Here, pass it on the cake.
Come over for a lick.
A lot of old Citroens out today. The weather is turning. Hope it doesn't rain too much. Cliffs of Moher in there now. I might pop in for a quick peek, or maybe not. I can't really ride the bike up to the cliff. That's the Burren now, all that stone. There's a few cattle. Healthy looking cows, or heifers. climbing the rock here. That looks fun. Don't think I have time to go in there though. They're also doing a bit of rock climbing. Off the edge maybe. It's actually my first time here at the Burren. It's really cool. A lot of rock. There's some fierce nice stone walls around the place. I suppose they've no shortage of stone here, so even up here they've stacked it probably to retain the land some bit. And these ones now, no plaster or no mortar keeping it together, just all dry stacked. Look at this house. Well, he used a bit of concrete in his wall, but lovely houses around here. Oh, and that was a school, 1887. Fenor National School, 1887. An old cottage. Jeez, if you had the land there and some quarry machinery, you'd make a fortune. This place is mad. Look at them stones then, just how did they end up there? There's actually a stone wall. Imagine cordoning off the land here. I suppose there's sheep there, but Jesus. And there's horses up there. There ain't much grazing on them hills now. That might be Galway now, across the bay. Jeez, my visor is filthy. This lighthouse property is designed, operated and maintained to aid navigation. No shit. She could do it like a paint. I wouldn't want to crash over that wall now. Few lads fishing. Well, did you catch anything? What are you looking for?
I got a sea vest down below there, alright, that was it.
Mackerel and sea vest. You'll have to go to Dunn's and pick something up. Take home one of them, say you caught one. Good luck. Mackerel and sea bass. I must eat more fish. That's cool now. The bit of green mixed in with the stone. Look at that. We'll have a quick look at that. Pinnacle Well. The Pinnacle well was commissioned by the local landlord in the 1860s and built over the existing spring. The well house is a folly-like Gothic revival structure. The well has always been an important supply of water in this area. Well protected, please respect it. Jesus. If I didn't have the helmet on, I'd take a sup of water. Drinking water, please keep clean. Nice. Leaving Ballyvaughan now. Back to Aina, heading home. John? I have to ride home on this. Are they brand new?
The back one is brand new, it's brand new.
You've a load of stones stuck in it now.
We'll knock it off going up around the here.